15th. Right, Tina, are we? Okay, so perhaps they might come on at some stage, yeah. So, welcome, councillors, Deputy Mayor, members of staff and members of the public. Nice to be here this afternoon. Councillor Park is going to offer us a prayer today to get us underway. So, Councillor Park.
Thank you, Worship. E te whānau whare te mātauranga kia marama, kia whai ai take ngā mahe katoa, tu maia, tu kaha, aroha atu, aroha mai, tātou ai, tātou katoa.
Thanks, Councillor Park. Thank you very much for that. Item 1, apologies. We have from Councillor Kingi and lateness for Councillor Kirsty Truman. Councillor Kingi was attended a fire all night, so we're thinking of those landowners or occupiers today. So could I have a mover that those apologies be accepted? Thank you, Councillor Rankin. Seconded by Councillor Leonard. All those in favour, please say aye. Against? Carried.